Hey buddies, today we are gonna make palak paneer and it's very tasty, very delicious and also healthy. Spinach.
I have taken 500 gram of spinach. I have washed it thoroughly under running water. No need to chop the spinach. We are going to boil it, and we need some other vegetables. These are red tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 garlic, some fresh coriander, 2 green chilies. And in dry masalas, we have taken 2 bay leaves or tej patta, 3 green cardamom or hari ilaichi, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, that is dalchini stick, 2 dried red chili, and coriander seed, dhania, half teaspoon of cumin seed, that is jeera, and I have taken half teaspoon of salt, sugar and turmeric powder and 200 grams of paneer. Now, as I said, we have to wilt the spinach. For that, I am adding 2 glasses of water in a deep pan. Now add the spinach. Just keep adding. Once the spinach will get cooked, it will reduce in size. So don't worry, add the spinach. Now while our spinach is getting cooked, cut some onion, chop it roughly. We are going to fry this onion and blend it, so no need to be precise in chopping the onions, just roughly chop it. Chop some tomatoes. Now add 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil in a karai or wok. Add the bay leaves. Add 2 dried red chilies. By now our oil is heated. Add the ilaichi, the cinnamon stick, add the cumin seed and the coriander seed. It's always a good idea to use only whole masalas. Let them pop and add the chopped onion. Saute the onion for 5 to 10 seconds. Add the green chili, the garlic, 1 inch of fresh ginger, keep the flame in low and add the tomatoes. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt according to your taste, half teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix everything together and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now check our spinach. It is fully cooked by now. We have to strain the excess water. For that, I am using a vegetable strainer. And our spinach is ready to mix with masalas. Add the spinach in the masalas. Although I have strained the excess water, but still it has some water and it is going to be very watery. So you can put the flame on high and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. See, it is releasing water. After 7 minutes of cooking, everything looks fully cooked. Now switch off the flame and let it cool. Once it gets cooled, add the spinach and the masalas in a grinding jar. We have to make a smoothie out of it. Take everything in the jar and make a very smooth paste out of it. We have made the paste. Now add 2 teaspoons of desi cow ghee in the karai, in the same karai. Keep the flame in medium. Once the ghee melts, add the palak smoothie. It's very thick now, so we are going to add some water. Mix it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add the paneer. Cut the paneer in any shape you like and add this to the palang smoothie. In this stage also you have to cook for 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame only. Just garnishing with some coriander leaves. Add some green chilies. This is totally optional. And your palak paneer is ready. This is a very healthy combination and very tasty too. You can make it very easily. Serve the palak paneer with rice, roti or chapati. It's excellent in taste. Thank you for watching.